These are the top 5 worst fire alarms. 1, I think this one is by Wheelock. I do not like it. It sounds the worst thing ever. I don't even know what brand this is. It's so bad. This Siemens one right here, this outdoor one, nah. What brand is this by? Someone tell me what brand this is by because it's so bad. I don't even know what brand it's by. No way. This right here, this jet sprinkler fire alarm, when bell rings, call 911 or fire department. No, it's the worst thing ever. This is not even a fire alarm, but the last time I heard this sound, it was pretty bad. Gentex, you really gotta upgrade your fire alarms. This Siemens one also, bad. No one can say this one is bad. This is the best one ever.